Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Sonali and I create content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So if you enjoy vlogs, daily lives, and then you enjoy hauls, fashion related content, makeup, then please subscribe to my channel and also like all of my videos and comment down below what videos you would like to see. That I will definitely love to make that. But today's video is going to be a Nykaa haul / me opening my birthday gift, because this parcel I got it as a gift on my birthday. I now opened it and saw what is inside it, so I know what is inside it, and I thought let's not make a full video on what I got as my birthday gifts, but let's just create small hauls, because I know you guys love to watch hauls and I also love to do them. So I thought I'll open it in different days. So a lot of hauls will be coming this month, so if you enjoy hauls then please subscribe to my channel and also stay tuned for that, because a lot of hauls are coming in this month and also reviews are coming, so stay tuned for that. Without any further ado, let's just start the video. Guys, this is the pretty pink packaging provided by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa gift box, if I'm not wrong. Of course my sister had to pay for this. I guess you have to pay around 30 rupees, so yeah, of course she had to pay for this. But it's a very pretty pink color ka box, and my parcel came in 2 boxes, but I shifted it to 1 box, so this is of no use, so we'll keep that aside. And all of my makeup is in this box. So it's really pretty pink color, and thumbs up to Nykaa, because they have replaced the plastic packaging with like paper packaging, so that is very good for our environment as well as for us. Use plastic as less as possible. But now, without talking anymore, let me just show you what all I got. So guys, the next product that I've got over here is a lip balm lipstick, lip tint type of thing, and it's from the company Palladio. It says high intensity herbal lip balm, and it's in the shade, I'm not sure if the shade is mentioned over here, but I will make sure that I mention it. And it says ginger flush. If this is the shade, then very good. I think it's ginger flush, but I'll mention it in the screen, don't worry. This is what the lip tint looks like. And yeah, this was again gifted me by one of my sisters. So yeah, this is what the nail polish looks like. It has this thing by which you can take out the lipstick, and I'll show you the shade real quick. I don't want to break the lipstick, so I'm not using that much, but it's a lip crayon actually, and this is what the shade looks like. It looks very light on camera. It's a very pretty peach color. So yeah, I don't know why it's looking like that, but it's a very pretty peach color. And this is what the lip tint looks like, and I guess it's a lipstick, but I don't know why it says lip balm. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, it's very soft, it's very smooth, it's like buttery smooth, it glides on easily. I wore it like once yesterday, and I was carrying it for a pretty long time, but it did not stayed for a pretty long time. I have also eaten food and all, so maybe because of that chala gaya, but it doesn't stay for long. So if you want a matte lipstick which stays for long, do not opt for that. But if you want something light, a light lipstick which you are okay with it going within 1-2 hours, then you can purchase this. It's a nice product, but does not stay for long, so that is a con for it. But okay, so the next thing is this. It's again by Swiss Beauty, and it's the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade, I'll tell you the shade once I open the concealer, but this is what the concealer looks like. Again, I have heard a lot of YouTubers raving about this, so I really wanted to purchase this, and thankfully my sister gifted it to me. It's this concealer. Let's just open. The packaging is pretty decent, I would say. I think it's a dupe of the PAC concealer. I am not sure, but I've heard that it's a dupe of the PAC concealer. But then again, Swiss Beauty is a very nice company. So this is what the concealer looks like. It's not focusing, but it says Swiss Beauty concealer, liquid concealer, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's a really beautiful, pretty, matte kind of glass ka packaging, and it's in the shade 8. The shade is nowhere, yaar. How will I understand which shade I bought? I forgot it. I don't know which shade it is, but I'll make sure that I mention it. And this is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty black yahan se, and then it has this glass packaging. I've never used Swiss Beauty concealer, so yeah. And let's just see. this is what the concealer looks like. I think मैंने थोड़ा light shade मंगा लिया, I'm not sure, but this is what the swatch looks like. You know, concealer light shade भी मंगा लो, so you can use it to highlight your like inner corners and all. So yeah, I don't have any regrets regarding this concealer until I use it. So after I use it only I can give the review. But फर्स्ट गो से तो अच्छा ही लगा, जब मैंने हाथ पे स्वॉच किया तो अच्छा ही कंसीलर लगता है. बट आई विल गिव यू गाइज द रिव्यू सोन. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. रियली नाइस पैकेजिंग. नाइस कंसीलर है कि नहीं वो तो रिव्यू के बाद पता चलेगा, यूज़ करने के बाद. बट या पैकेजिंग वाइज तो अच्छा लगा एंड भीतर के पैकेजिंग वाइज भी अच्छा लगा. So that is that. So the next thing is this palette. It is by Nikake. It is in the shade birthday cake. I'm pretty sure my sister got it because it says birthday cake and it was my birthday. Also guys, I cannot understand one thing. I've got all of these products from Nykaa, but it says www.hawkmakeup.com. I know Hawk Makeup is a site, is also a site from where you can order makeup products, but I did not order it from Nykaa, so I don't get why it says Hawk Makeup. But other than that, it says the retail price is $6.99. I would never pay $6.99 for such a small palette. You can go for Revolution ka palette if you are you know, going for 699 rupees. But I got this, but my sister got this in 350 rupees, and I know this because हर समय निका के 350 में ही अवेलेबल रहता है नायका पे. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट द पैलेट लुक्स लाइक. वेरी प्रिटी पैलेट. लेट्स जस्ट ओपन एंड सी. सो इट्स लाइक दिस. एंड इसके बाद मुझे एक चीज़ ख़राब लगा कि कोई एक्सटर्नल पैकेजिंग नहीं आया विच यू नो कैन होल्ड दिस प्रोडक्ट. आई डोंट नो वाई. इट्स स्विस ब्यूटी के आईशैडो पैलेट्स में पैकेजिंग दिया हुआ रहता है, बट इसमें नहीं दिया हुआ. सो दैट डिसअपॉइंटेड मी. बट अदर देन दैट व्हेन यू ओपन दिस, दिस इज़ व्हाट the palette looks like. It has a pink color, a purple shimmer shade, a peachy orangish color, then a blue shimmer shade, a yellow color, pink color, a red color, a teal shade, and again a sea blue or emerald green kind of shade. So yeah, this is the shades of the palette. I will swatch some colors. All of these are matte by the way. Only this purple, this blue, this teal color, and yeah, these three are only shimmer shades. But other than that, all of the shades are matte. And I wanted a bright palette, so yeah, let's just go for the swatch. I'll swatch. Firstly, I'll swatch the yellow because yellow is a bright color and it's very hard to, you know, have that color. But yeah, as I said you guys, yellow is very hard color. थोड़ा सा swatch आया है जो आपको कैमरा में नहीं दिख रहा है, but it is there. The swatch is there. I'll try and थोड़ा सा और लेके देखती हूँ. I don't know why ये कैमरा पे दिख ही नहीं रहा है, but other than that, I'll swatch another colors. I'll swatch this pink, then this orange shade. I'll swatch two shimmer shades and show you guys. Pink वाला आया है, orange वाला भी आया है. Let's take the shimmer shade, purple shimmer shade, and use it. Blue. Red. This is what the shades look like. Yeah, it's a pretty pigmented palette, but as well as थोड़ा chalky भी है because I can understand it is a little chalky. As you can see, it is a little chalky. I can feel that. But हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत pigmented. I would not say it is supremely or super pigmented. नहीं, it's not super pigmented. I am 50% satisfied with this product. But yeah, you can go for better palette for it. But if you want to go for it, it's not a bad product. But total review I can only give you after I've used this. So other than that, it is pretty chalky, like 50% chalky, 50% pigmented and good. So yeah, that is that. Yellow color तो कहाँ गया पता ही नहीं. ओ यहाँ पर है. But yeah, it is an okayish product. I'm not really happy with this, but whatever, let's move forward. We can. So guys, this is the palette and this is what I'm talking about. See, this is a Swiss Beauty palette and इसके ऊपर एक external cover दिया हुआ है which you can open and then you will get your palette. But Nikake does not provide any external packaging, so a big thumbs down for it, because no matter how affordable you are, if you provide good packaging, it will automatically attract customer. It does attract me, so I know for sure that I love this way more than this. And also I've tried 2 to 3 Swiss Beauty items, not these all, but I have. tried Swiss Beauty items before, and they are pretty affordable and pretty pigmented, not chalky like this. It has really disappointed me, so sorry if I'm talking again and again about it. But yeah, this is what the palette looks like. It's a very pretty palette. This is what the packaging looks like. ऐसे कुछ दिखता है packaging. It says it retails for rupees 349, and I think that is what I gave for this palette. When you open this, you receive this kind of packaging, very sturdy, and glass भी बहुत sturdy है. When you open this, you get this product. It has a blusher, it has 2 highlighters, and then it has a contour shade which is glittery, so I don't know if I can contour with it, but then you have 4 of these shades. You can also use them as eyeshadow, so that is a very big thumbs up for this. And now let's swatch and see. Firstly I'll swatch this contour shade and the blush shade. So let's just, मैं बहुत ही हल्के हल्के हाथों से कर रही हूँ so that you can see it. And where should I swatch? Should I swatch here? Okay, let's just swatch. Okay guys, so you can definitely see the swatch. ये है the contour shade, and then this is the blush. The blush is a little chalky, but yeah, the contour is very pigmented. Like, you can also use this as a highlighting shade. It's very beautiful. So yeah, this is what it looks like, is what the contour and blush shade looks like. The blush shade for sure is a little chalky, but the contour is amazing. I fell in love with this contour. But now we'll move on and swatch the highlighting shades. So, oh god, oh my god, this is what both of the highlighting shades looks like. Very pigmented guys, very pigmented. So guys, I'll swatch it over here, and you can most definitely see both of these highlighting shades. It is so pretty, and both of these shades are so pigmented. I love both of these shades. Other than the blush, I like all the 3 of the shades. Blush bhi I like, but it's a little chalky. Only for rupees 349, so I don't think it's a waste of money. I really love this package, and I will use this in next video, in my next video, and in my further videos. But if you ask me if I want to repurchase this product, of course I want, because 340 rupees में 349 rupees में highlighter का पूरा एक palette in which you have 2 highlights, 1 contour and 1 blush. Of course it's a steal deal. So if you want to purchase it, please go ahead and go for it. An amazing palette, love it. Okay, so the next and the last product over here is again an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Swiss Beauty. It says the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, and it is in the shade number 4. I remember this because I heard a lot of influencers, YouTubers talking about this and telling that this palette is awesome. So yeah, I got this. This is the palette, and this is what I'm talking about guys. You see the packaging in the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette? See, there is no packaging. Totally disappointed with this product, but other than that, this palette looks very good. And ये palette में जैसे all bright shades थे, this is a very warm tone palette, all nude colors. There are all nude colors in this, so it's a very warm tone palette. So I really love that about this. Let's just open the packaging. It's a 9 color eyeshadow palette. I hope I don't stain my shirt because I'm wearing a white shirt and doing makeup swatches. So yeah, so we'll just take this out. Okay, yeah, this is what the palette looks like. It looks so amazing with all of these black borders, and it says Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in the middle. पीछे से कुछ ऐसा लगता है इसका packaging, and looks amazing. I said you it is in the shade 4. It is in the shade 4. And when we open the palette, this is what the palette looks like. It has a brown color, a maroon color, a skin color, then a golden shimmer shade, and all of these warm tone colors. Really beautiful. I'll go ahead and swatch some of these colors for you. I'll swatch 3 matte colors and then 1 glitter color which is in the middle. So I'll just swatch this orange, then I'll swatch this brown, and I'll swatch this light color because light bhi thoda sa. I'm swatching this shade, this one right over here, and then this shade. So yeah, where do I show you? It's a like Aya has swatched. I don't know why आप लोगों को नहीं दिख रहा कैमरा में, but Aya है, and it's a very pigmented. Even the light color is very pigmented. Let me just show you in my fingers. This is what the light shade looks like. It is pigmented, guys. I'll swatch it over here. I don't know why the camera isn't picking up, but it is there. It is not that pigmented, comparing to the other shades, but it is quite pigmented. And इस palette से निका के palette से तो ज़्यादा ही pigmented है. It's a nice purchase. I love the pigmentation and बिल्कुल भी ऐसा feel नहीं हो रहा कि it's chalky or it's gonna leave a lot of like dust under my eyes. No, it's really good. We'll also swatch this golden shade. So nice. Let me just swatch it right over here. Yeah, I'm sure you can see this golden color. It's such a pretty golden copperish color. I can definitely use this and make a warm eyeshadow. I'm not a professional, but I will definitely try to do so. And it is so much better than the Nika K palette, and it was only for 200 something, I guess. I'll mention it, but it's better than the Nika K palette and so pigmented. It's even if like one shade is not pigmented, at least it is not chalky. It won't leave dust under my eyes. But other than that, it's so beautiful. It's so pigmented. Between both of these palettes, I would definitely go for this. In my first swatch, I'm saying this, I would definitely go for this. I will go for this. It's not a bad product, but then it's not a great product either. But this is a great product. It's very pigmented and it's not chalky at all. So yeah, both of this palette has their own place, and both of them are doing a good job in their own place. So I'm not sad about any of my purchases. All of my purchases are I'm happy with all of the purchases that my sister or my mother has made, or both of them have made. So I'm really happy with all of the products over here, but I do need to try all of the products on my face and give you guys my final review. So I'm thinking of doing this first impressions video. So if you guys will enjoy this video, please, if you guys would like to see me doing that video, first impression wala, please comment down below, and I would definitely do it for you. I would love to do it for you. And yeah, with that, I think we come to the end of the video. So guys, I just searched my box and there is absolutely nothing left, like absolutely nothing. So I think with that we come to the end of the video, and this was quite a haul. Like all of these products I am not disappointed by, but yeah, I would definitely try them on my face and would love to give you guys my review. So if you want to watch the first impressions video, please do let me know in the comments down below, and I would most definitely love to create that for you guys and give you guys a review, so that आप भी अगर नायका से अभी कुछ परचेज करो या परचेज करने वाले हो, it would be helpful for you. So please let me know. Other than that, this was quite a haul. I loved all of the products in my box. I loved the gifts that my family gave me. I'm just mesmerized by it, and I can't wait to use them right now and like go out somewhere. But of course, lockdown hai, we can't help it. Also, my hand is like totally stained. I need to get rid of all of this stain. But other than that, yeah, it was an amazing video. I enjoyed each and every part of this video. Loved it totally. And yeah, with that we come to the end of today's video. And if you enjoy watching my video, if you enjoyed this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell notification subscription button के just पास bell notification होता है, उसको दबा दीजिए, and you will be notified every time I post a new video. And make sure you stay tuned for all of the videos, because there are a lot of hauls coming, there are a lot of lifestyle vlogs coming, fashion related content भी मैं try कर रही हूँ to bring it out on here. So yeah, there will be, this month will be quite a lot. I am planning a lot of videos, so I hope कि वो successfully सब जाए, because जून में सब ऐसे गया, but we will not talk about, we will only focus on positive things. So yeah, make sure if you love watching hauls, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I love shopping, you guys love watching hauls, so it's kind of a nice relationship. So yeah, if you love watching hauls, then please subscribe to my channel. I bring a lot of hauls for you guys. I'll also bring a lot of lifestyle vlogs for you guys, a lot of shopping vlogs for you guys. So yeah, that will end today's video. Thank you guys for watching my video. I love you all, and with that, I'll see you in the next video with a much more exciting video. Bye.